What's up guys, so in today's video, I finally got my microphone fixed. So for this, let me show you, I just lost my rank. So now in this video, I'm gonna show you how to actually vote for Hylex MC right through the game. And it will be pretty easy. So without wasting any more time, I will start, but before I do, please click on the like button and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos. So yeah guys, let's go. So first, what you gotta do is go to your press T on computer. After that, type /vote. After that, click one of these links. I click one, and then I open this. Here you see this top hylexmc.net hylexmc. Now click on this top micro. It will verify that you're not a robot. You just gotta wait this. Place your Minecraft username and click vote. Now wait until it says thanks for voting. After that, you can open this, and you see that I got plus 20 tokens. Like just before the video, I had 155. Now I have 175. So yeah, this is basically just how to vote for Hylex MC in Minecraft. So if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, see you in the next video. Bye!